Are you getting the annoying "you have made too many requests" error on the Steam market? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step method to fix it in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First, click on the search icon and type command. Right-click on command prompt and select Run as administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now we're going to enter a few commands. Type the following and press enter. ipconfig /flush DNS. This clears your DNS cache. Next, type netsh winsock reset. Then press enter. After that, type netsh int IP reset. And press enter again. These commands reset your network settings and repair common internet issues. Once you've entered all three commands, close command prompt. Now restart your computer. After restarting, your network issue should be fixed. And that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Windows troubleshooting guides.